Okay. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Pretty sure we're good. Just need to make sure. Just plugging in to double check. Damn, I need to get a new charger cable. Test, test, test. This is how loud I will be speaking. Test, test, test. I kind of want to speak to the rhythm of this song, but I can't keep coming up with words to talk to the song. Test, 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 test. Come on. Yeah. Okay, good. Cool, cool, cool. Alright. Okay. So, what are we doing today? So I think I gotta set up the clothes stuff. This NPC. Has intruder. Okay, physical attribute check. Every player and NPC has a physical attribute game object. Okay, has an array, an FSM on it with an array. This thing is stored in an array. NPC with an intrusion zone also has an array of people they don't mind being there. This is their intrusion zone whitelist. So to cycle through all the possible acceptable looks that this NPC will ignore and let intrude, just get each person from that whitelist, get their physical attributes game object from them, get the string array from that, and compare it against whoever the NPC is currently looking at. So this makes me consider having Data Maker. Data Maker is installed in here, right? Yeah. Data Maker, also array key, hash table sort key. I think array list table is what I'm looking for. Column data, size 5. Maybe that's not it. Array, is it Data Maker? Node list proxy? No. There's that one that has Hello, 2 people in chat. How's it going? I'm looking for this thing. I think it's either an array maker or data maker, but I'm looking for hash table. Right, array maker hash table contains key. Okay, so remove hash table. Playmaker hash table proxy. Let's see, 5. Yeah, there we go. Key 0, item 0. That makes sense. There we go. I think I gotta start learning how to use hash tables better. Essentially, what I want to do is have it so all the physical attributes of a character, whether it be a material, you know, because for skin color and clothes I just use materials, or whether it be a... Oop. Damn, this track right now? Really? They're on such a roll. No. Sorry, see how this always ends up happening. I need a... Who's the artist? I'm just gonna play all these tracks. No, synth pop. Sure, why not? Yeah, so whether it be a material that dictates the color of the skin or clothes, or if it's an accessory like glasses or like a hat or a wristwatch or something, you know, things that can be put on the character as a game object, you know, those are two separate things that can define physical attributes as materials and game objects. And so I want to be able to define those by strings, literally just a string of text that says like watch or brown hair and stuff like that. And I have a system that I'd used before that's a little cumbersome, and I know hash tables can be a better way of doing this. So that's what I'm gonna try. Okay. It's a dope track. So physical attribute check. Every player and NPC has a physical attribute game object, which is like all their clothes in a bundle plus their skin color and facial features. And this has an FSM on it with an array variable which defines the materials and game objects in it. So I guess what I should do, just to run some tests, is make some really basic things. So let's start exporting some of these. Let's see. We'll start with the shoes. We only have one pair of shoes right now, right? Okay. Gotta rename these. Black shoes. Oops. Black shoes. Character textures. Clothes. I'm just gonna put shoes in here because I don't know how many different shoes I can make. So black shoes. And then skin, we have all the skin sorted. All right, here we go. Black suit, that's all one thing. Let's see. Okay. I think that's right. Yep. Cool. Export as PNG. Masculine. Black suit. Okay. Gray suit. There should be uniformity in this. Lowercase g. Export as ping. Gray suit copy. Oh, my bad. Export as ping. Cool. Blue suit. Love that blue suit. This also needs to be lowercase b. Okay, tan suit. I already have that one. Suit ties. Okay, so this we do need a thing for. Let's see. Quick export as ping. Clothes. Oh, this isn't masculine. Yeah. Should I separate by suits? Types of clothes? Should I, though? Let's not for now. Blue tie. Quick export as ping. Bow ties. Got a black tie and a blue tie. These jams are dope. I like this musician. Quick export. Okay, that floral shirt. You know what always bugged me about this floral shirt is that it doesn't have like, it needs like the collar and stuff. Because it can read as too feminine without like the sharp lines of like a button up or something. Oh, and buttons, that's what it needs. While I'm here, I'll do that. I think I'll do that while I'm here. Let's see. So it's like, I'm gonna open up a window to bring over here. Or actually, I think I have like references already, huh? Let's try this. Clothes and accessories. Masculine, here we go. That's where the tan suit comes from. Okay, so you have like, you just put some like white lines down the middle and some buttons, and then you do the collar shape. Okay, I think I could do that. Excuse me. See, like that one in the middle. Okay. And duplicate these. 50 is the new 40. Yeah. It's true. And 30 is the new 20. I just turned 30 last year. I'm gonna be turning 31. Holy shit. And I feel 20. I feel 20 years old. Let's see. Merge these layers. What's that rusty chicken? Okay, now I got this one. And I'm pretty much just gonna like, see if I can like do this. And just for the actual lining up of this, I'm gonna have this color overlay be something really obnoxious like that. And then I'll just cut it out. I could probably even, yeah, like this. So I'll go like, what is the shape? It's a parallelogram, isn't it? So I'll go like this. Ah, shit. It goes up. Okay, it goes up, it goes up. Like that. Okay, and then need to do the same thing over here. Like this. That. Oh, it goes up, it goes up. I can't remember. Okay. Is that too small? I like the asymmetricalness of it. Okay. Asymmetricality. So something like this. Make it, yeah, I guess let's make it straight. Like that. Cool. That doesn't read terribly well, but I think if I group them and then add a drop shadow, black, opacity. Dude, these are good jams. Fuck yeah. First like. Hi, Maru Show. What is up? What's going on? Maru Show. Let's see, how should this... Yeah. Spread, lower it. Size. Oh shit. Too big, too big. Spread. Like that, right? Maybe it should be bigger. Just to kind of... Right there. There we go. That's cool. That kind of looks like the folds, right, of the shirt. Maybe I could lower the opacity a little bit. That's good. Rusty Chicken, so you dig the tunes I sent you? Yeah, that was some pretty gnarly shit. It's not my brand of music, particularly. You know, like I don't really listen to that type of music very often. But I can appreciate that that's some heavy duty stuff. Like, I knew right off the bat, and I was not surprised to hear that, like, you were traveling with that stuff. Like, not surprised at all. I don't, like, I do listen to a wide variety of things. I think I used to listen to more, like, heavier type of rock. Like, still not anything too close to that genre. I think the closest thing to that genre I've ever listened to... I don't know, I've always been like a kind of a stoner rock kind of guy. So I listen to a lot of Ohm, a lot of Sleep. I don't know what else. What genre would you say that was in? The stuff you sent me. This is a button? Should that be a button? I think that's a good button. What color are these buttons? Just white? Alright, so I'll do like this kind of G. There we go. Very cool. Maybe I make it like this, and then shrink it down. Or should I make it bigger and put this one on top? And then merge them and make it smaller? I wouldn't trade the experience and the people I met for anything in the world. Hard rock or heavy metal, maybe. Right. That's kind of, yeah. I don't like forcing anything into like some super specific genre, but it does help. Just kind of like when trying to consider what else have I listened to that's like that. And I can't even imagine about the the people you meet and shit like that. Like, my ex, God, I'm just gonna be always harping on about my fucking ex. My ex has, still hope she has, a brother, a very successful, who's a very successful musician. He does tons of traveling and stuff, always around like really eccentric cats, and yeah, that just seems like one hell of a life to live. Meet a lot of crazy folks, good people. Sounds like an experience of a lifetime for sure. I can't say I've quite had anything like that. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing somebody a disservice in saying that, but I don't think I've ever really had anything like that. These buttons looking alright? I think they look cool. Okay, these buttons are good. Alright. Oh shit, did I delete like the... Oh no, okay, that's right. Yeah, because this short sleeve shirt. Okay, has the pants. Oh, pants don't belong there. Those shorts don't belong there. And neither do those shoes. Where are the shoes at? I'm gonna put these in shoes. Gonna take these shorts out, put them right there, turn them off. Boom, just the shirt. Men's yellow floral shirt. Export as ping. Save it. Yes, I want to replace it. This is a bit much. Let's see. I mean, it's hard, but it's a bit much right now. Okay. Let's see how I can roll with this. Huh. I have two of these tabs open? What the fuck? Okay. I thought the stream was gonna end right now. Let's see. I'm gonna call these shorts. Just shorts, right? Call this like dark tan shorts. I feel like the naming convention should have been like the type of clothing underscore, then, you know, you do make and then model, not model make. Oh well. Alright. I think I have a decent lineup of things right now, right? So let's get some of these boys all dressed up. NPC testing spawner. Make a separate state just to kind of like run these boys through it or something. Like get, I think it's like find child, because you want to get the mesh, and then you want set material, right? Set random material. Okay. What's kind of funny is that, like, I think the way suits should work is... Oh, wait a minute. Fuck. Let's see. So if you look at, like, a black suit, right? There's that part of me that's like, maybe you make it so you could steal one thing at a time. No. Just a suit. But the shorts and the shirts thing, right? That one I should have it, right? Like you can just get a different shirt. Yeah, maybe every outfit should be a combination of two things. Maybe that's a good rule. Where it's like you have your pants, your lower half of your body item, and you have your upper body item. And those are your two main clothes. And then Rusty Chicken says, how long are you going to be on today? Well, it's undecided. As always, it's always undecided. But I think I'll probably be on until maybe close, like right now, my first session, I'll probably go at least until like another hour, maybe even until 4. I woke up a little later than usual, or I didn't wake up late. I just had breakfast later than usual. So I usually like to have 4 hours between meals, which means, yeah, looking closer to like 3 or 4. Maybe I might end sooner. I don't know. I'm gonna try to stay on longer. I do need to be better about being consistent, but it's like it's a disservice to everybody if I force myself to be here if I can't think straight. Yeah. Okay. So right, so you have two clothes. You have lower body, upper body, but then sometimes you have the full upper body and lower body as one piece, but then that will have a secondary thing. So that way there isn't ever one signifier of something. It's more like So you still get variation, but you don't get too complex. I think that works out. Lower body, upper body are the same thing as like base layer and top layer. So you either have shorts and a shirt, or you have the whole suit and then a tie, you know? So you could change your whole suit color, and then you can change your tie color. That's 2 items. You can change your shorts, and you can change your shirt. It's 2 items. And then I'm thinking for other things where it's like the handyman, it's like the whole handyman outfit, and then like either the name patch says like Joe or, you know, Bob or something, and then the moving, or not the moving, sorry, the company name. I think this works. Yeah, I think that's a decent system. Keeps the work down for me. So instead of set random material, maybe what I could do, I can experiment with this here in this little testing thing. I can make like suits, a suits array, which is just materials. Oh no, sorry. It's an array of materials. There we go. Okay, and then you would have like have another array for ties materials. There you go. Okay, so it randomly picks from suits, randomly picks from ties. Should I just do people in suits right now? Seems like a decent enough way to kick things off. So you have like that fine child, and you have 2 set materials, and then you have 2 array gets. But these need to be at the bottom. First array will get the suit. Second array will get the tie. And yo, I'm digging this. Stickman is the name of the mesh. Size, let's make it what is it? Skin color, facial hair, head hair, scars and other blemish things, right? And should I have another one for that? Like one for scars and one for like beauty marks? No. Skin color, facial hair, head hair, other types of marks. Right, those are the 4 necessary ones that like to just make a person, and then you clothe them with this 2 layers system. So that's 6, Is there anything else I want? Let's just give him 6 for now. Stickman with a capital S. Store result in this NPC mesh. But we're actually going to get it from last NPC spawned. Okay. Array get. Oh wait, we want an array get random. My bad. First one is from suits. Second one is from ties. Store the value in suit material. Store the value in tie material. And give it to the real waifu or husband material. Set material on the mesh. Right. Okay. So I need to actually really memorize that. Let's get this open. I need to remember this. So it's like, ooh, I was sitting weird. My ankle. Ow. Ow. Ooh. 1 skin color. 2 head hair. 3 facial hair. 4 miscellaneous skin marks. 5, or I should put like, you know, scars, beauty marks. Oh, wait a minute. Tattoos? The thing that kind of sucks about this is it's like later on, if I come to a point where I'm like, oh, actually, I want to add a layer in between head hair and facial hair, or add a layer between skin marks and the clothes, like I'm gonna have to go in and rework some shit, I think. Maybe it won't be too big of a deal. I just want to get as close to the final product as. So after skin marks, then you have, let's do, oh, you know what? They need underwear. Yeah, because if you're going to be taking people's clothes, they need to have underwear on. So underwear. And then 6 is lower body. Oops. 7 is upper body. And we have to put these as like, or base or full base outfit, like suits and specific costumes. And then upper body is or secondary secondary outfit piece, like a tie for suits or company patch for handyman. Okay. All right. Okay, I have some stuff to do around here, so I may just catch you in the second half of the stream. Cool. Get her done, get her done, get her done. Glad you're here for the first morning. It's been a hard morning to kind of get warmed up to things. It's nice having folks around. But yeah, go get her done. Get it, get it, get it. I'll be here later. Upper body. Okay. Skin color, head color, facial hair, miscellaneous skin marks, underwear, lower body, upper body. And lower body, upper body are either the full base outfit or lower body, upper body, or okay. I think this makes sense. And then you have like 8. The 8th material is like kind of like damage. What do you do? Like, see, then you could do stuff like this where it's like burn damage. 9 is like, oh shit. How do you start like stacking layers? You know, because how can I add them as we go? Can I do that? Maybe let's run a test really quick. Maybe what you could do is, like, if I take this NPC, I'm not gonna designate how many layers, right? See how I said 6? Can I do it so it's just 1? And then with this spawner, I just say material index 0 and then material index 1, and now it'll have 2, you know? So 0 should be suit material, and then 1 should be tie material. All right, and then we go into materials, clothes, masculine, and here is where we will import. Let's see. Excuse me. Where do I want to get this from? Floral shirt. I'm just gonna do suits for now. Oh, wait a minute. Fuck. They got me. Damn. I did export as ping, and so it exports as the minimum dimensions of the item. I need it to be the full dimensions of the item. God damn it. Okay. Go back in and re-export these. Shit. Okay, so we'll start. Oh, and shoes, dummy. Write that down. See, I fucking forgetting. Underwear, lower body, upper. Okay. 8 should be shoes. Okay. Let's do one at a time. Black suits. There was like some cool way you could like trick it. I don't remember now. Whatever. Modular stick figure outline. No. Black suit. Yes. Okay. And we'll do gray suit. Not so streamlined anymore. Gray suit, yes. Blue suit. Clothes, masculine. Ping, blue suit, yes. Tan suit, we already got that. Suit ties, okay, one at a time. Clothes, masculine. Ping, black tie, yes. Blue tie. bow ties. May as well, right? We're already here. Oops. Blue bow tie. Black bow tie. No! No, 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 no. Did I not export the black? Oh, there it is. There we go. Yes. There we go. All right. Should be back in business. Great. Got all these suits, these ties. Drag them in here. Alpha is transparency. Apply. Cool. Is there a way I could just create a material out of this? In a better way? I don't think there is, huh? I think I just need to delete that. Delete it. Tan suit. Call it gray suit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cool. Okay. Oops. And let's get the blue suit going. And lastly, we'll get the black suits. Okay, now I just gotta get some ties. Black tie. Blue tie. Where are the... Okay, they're there. Okay, okay. Then you do black bow tie. Blue bow tie. Cool. Dope. I think that's set up to go. Let's check. Suits. Do 3 suits, right? Oh, no, no, no. Actually, let's do all 4. The tan suit too. Tan suit. Gray suit. Blue suit. Black suit. Okay. Ties. 4. Got the black bow tie. Got the regular black tie. Got a blue bow tie. Oops. And black bow tie, blue bow tie. Oh, and blue tie. Here we go. All right. Fucking A. Here we go. Let's see. So if I create this guy, I'm just gonna have it finished, and then send off to here, and it should create. Let's see. Okay, so that's the question was then in my character thing, this NPC, the material. Where's the material at? Oh, it's in the mesh. There's only one. It's only sized 1. So let's see if I can still add 2 things on it. Damn, these are jams. I know I could move the scene camera around, but I just want to walk in and look at them. Oop. Just gonna let it keep playing. Where is he? Oh my god, he doesn't have a head. I forgot to add skin. Oh my god. It's like the Invisible Man. Oh shit. That's so creepy. But he looks cool. It's a good look. Oh shit. It's funny because I keep coming in and out of his vision. That is so funny. Okay, right, I'm so dumb. Of course, I forgot to set the facial hair and all that other shit. But it looked like we didn't get the ties set. It looked like it really did only give him the one thing, right? It's not overlapping or anything. I think I could check by just, if I run it and then click on his game object. So NPC, Stickman. Yep, he only has the one thing. Right. So you do actually need to explicitly tell the mesh, like, you need this many open spots. Is there any way to like add material index or like material set material value? What does that mean? Oh, okay. Oof. It's probably like a set property thing, but I just that's let's just set it. Let's just hard code it. So let's look at this thing then. Skin color, head hair, facial hair, skin marks, underwear, lower body, upper body, shoes. So it's at least 8 layers. I'm gonna keep this open and go back to this. NPC testing spawner. Gonna want to copy and paste these variables later. Huh. Alright. So the new arrays that we add are skin color, which is a bunch of materials, and that will be 4, right? No, 6 or 5. How many skin colors do we have? Let's just add them right now. Materials, skin color, here we go, 4. Okay, you have the darkest skin color, you have dark, you have skin light, and you have skin lightest. All right, and then we need facial hair. Also a bunch of materials, and those we have 5. Bushy stash, full beard and stash, goatee, pencil stash, stubble. Cool. So this could be like set or clothes, you know. But first they need a skin and shit. So I'm gonna copy the same setup. We're gonna use array get randoms and set materials. Except this one is skin color. We're gonna store the value as skin color. Oh. Store value as, oh shit. So that should be called skin color array. Or skin colors. Suits, ties, facial hairs. Skin colors to skin color. And then the set material, it needs to be at its absolute base skin color. So that's at 0. I'm gonna add another one of these to index 1, except this time we'll be taking from facial hairs, storing as facial hair, and setting material as facial hair. Okay, so when that's done, it goes to the clothes, and in clothes, it puts the suit on 2. And then the tie material on 3. Okay, let's see how that plays. And I'll just look at them. I won't go upstairs to. Folks in the chat, what's up? How you doing today? NPC. All right, let's take a look at our boy. You're hiding behind a wall. Okay. I wonder what color tie he has. I hope he has a blue tie, because I already know what he looks like with a black tie. Ah, shit. All right, well, they're dressed. Let's try it again. Just so we can see some variation, just to make sure that this thing is running through properly. Oh, see, like, where's the fucking tie? Excuse me. No tie. Huh. Let's see. It says black tie has a black tie on element 3. How come we can't see the tie? Is it hidden? Did it like fuck up and go somewhere else? Let's try running again. Same tan suit. I almost am tempted to take the... Oh, look, he has a bow tie on over his suit tie. And that's just because the tan suit has a tie baked into it. I need to change that. Should I just re-import that really quick? Re-export it from here. Let's see. Tan suit. Turn off bow ties. Yeah, I'll just export this right now. Clothes, masculine. Ping. Tan suit. Yes. Yes. All right, and then I'm gonna delete this tan suit texture. And drop in this new one. Alpha is transparent. Apply. And for the tan suit, yep, cool. It's already referencing it. Great. All right, let's just run this a couple more times. Or maybe what I should do is, should I have it spawn a few boys and just kind of have them all walk around? Right? Why not? Here we go. Let's see. Let's make it. Create. Loop sends the loop event when the action runs. It loops the specified number of times, then sends the finish event. It's a great action. It's a fucking great action. So we'll put like, let's put like 10 boys in there. So they're useful for iterating through arrays. Okay, loop event will go next, but finished event will be fin. So it just ends right here, but otherwise go back here. All right, let's pack this apartment up full of boys. Oh, they're gonna be partying. Boom. Nice. And look, their ties are working now. Oh, but some of them, their ties don't work. That is so funny. That is so funny seeing all these dudes in suits. So, okay, they have a bow tie. But some of them just don't have ties. Like, why not? Why don't y'all have ties? You have a tie. It's not like the black tie is broken. And I think... Is it the blue tie? Is there something wrong with the blue tie? I don't see any blue ties. I have a feeling that there's something wrong with like the blue tie material. Oh no, but this guy has a blue tie. That's a... I like that combo. The tan with the blue tie. So what the fuck? Why don't some of them have blue tie? Or... let's click one of them that doesn't have a tie. I like that look. They're all walking around barefoot too. We didn't give them shoes. Oh my god. I love that. I love that. It's so funny. Okay, let's pick this guy because he doesn't have a tie. Right, there's something wrong with blue ties. What's wrong with blue ties? Enable GPU instancing. It uses that thing. Oh wait, no, but because those other people had blue ties that worked fine. Oh, Camcom saying loving this boy party. What's up, Camcom? CamHcom? Brought to you by Camcom. Doesn't that kind of sound like a corporation? Camcom. I don't know why these boys, why their ties ain't working. Like, and let's check if anybody else, who else is missing a tie? All right, you're missing a tie too. Again, it's the blue tie. It's boys with blue ties. But why does your blue tie work? The thing I am noticing is that it says it's not an instance. That those other ones are instances, but this one... So, like, we could see his tie, right? So I bet you it'll say instance next to it. No, it doesn't. Fucking weird. Why? Why do some ties work and some not? What's up, Cam? How you doing today? What are you up to? How's this? Is you having a nice lazy Sunday? Chilling? Shit, this is really perplexing though. It is so far only boys with blue ties. His isn't working. The other guy's isn't working. Yeah. Something to do with blue ties. Very weird. Very weird. I guess I could go to maybe, Camcom said just munching on cashews, watching my boy make boys. Yeah. Nice, very chill. Nothing better than watching your boy make boys. Alright, what do we got here? It's at its finished state, right? Went through all the loops. The variables for ties maybe is this array. You know what it is? Oh, that makes me worried. It's the last item in this array. And in the past, I have had issues with the array get action not getting the final item in an array list. Like I have a shitty hodgepodge idea of fixing this, and it's going to be kind of upsetting if it works. So like if I have 5 values and both of these are blue tie, I bet you we're not going to have any tie-less boys. Let's check. I feel like this is gonna be a nice fully dressed party, despite the shoes. Ugh, okay. Whew. I'll run the test again just to make sure it wasn't a coincidence, but so far, it worked. All boys currently have ties. Yeah, there's this weird thing where array actions, something to do with arrays, doesn't get the last value in an array. I'm gonna have to tell Alex about that, because it happened to me in the middle of Proc Jam too. Yep, I think all these boys have ties. Okay. That's so funny. Should we just for shits and giggles, should we just pack this house up really quick? Just make it a party really quick. Let's see. Let's put like let's put oh shit, is this gonna break my shit? Let's put 50 boys in here. I'm gonna save this thing. I'm kind of worried. All right, let's see if this breaks my shit. 50 boys. This place is gonna get packed. It's gonna be a real house party. Oh shit. Off to a very slow start. Oh, okay, that's running, that's running. Oh shit, they're all spilling in. Let's see. Okay, yeah, actually performance isn't fucking up. Nice, it's actually running all right. They can't even get past each other. Thankfully, I do have randomized obstacle avoidance priority, so they are eventually just gonna like find the alphas in the room who really just push through others, and the other ones move out of their way. The other ones get all cucked out to the side. But let me see. That is so fucking funny. Oh man, I can't wait to throw NPC house parties. I'm gonna turn off gizmos. Yeah. Dude, this is a fucking party right here. It kind of looks like they're all dancing too. Dude, all the stashes. That's so cool. Oh, it's so fucking cool. It's so much more satisfying to see the randomized suits happen, because when it's just a baked in full like same color tie and everything, like that's just boring. But now that's so good. So much can be done by just changing the tie color. Oh look, these guys don't have ties. Fuck. Fuck, they don't have ties too. What is that about? That is worrisome. Why don't you have ties? That is very important. That guy doesn't have a tie either. There's a lot of boys in here that don't have ties. Like, where are these guys going? You know? Where are you guys heading? Oh, I also forgot they're on like a... They're on like a, they're on a routine right now. They're like walking from spot to spot in the house. That's why some of them are just standing there. Like once they get over here, they just kind of stand around. Oh, this is so cool if you like get low. I don't know why I think this is so fucking rad. And this music too. It's totally not period appropriate, but I'm just feeling it right now. Ooh, I'm gonna like slowly. I will stop in a moment, but let me have my fun really quick. It's like, where are you guys going? Oh man. Oh, there's boys going in this room? Or did the door just open because they were too close? No. Okay. I've had my fill, I think. Nice mustache. Okay. That is funny. That is fucking funny. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'm not gonna trip too hard about the tie thing. It is important as fuck, because if you get a message saying, hey, your mole wears a blue tie, and you can't see that shit, then that is useless information. But it is, I'm sure, easily overcome. I'm gonna write that down to tell Alex. Last item in arrays, not like registering or something, not being read or something like that. All right, so what was the point of all that? Oh, because disguises are up next, right? Or no, not disguises. Well, yeah, disguises, but more importantly, so I'm gonna change this back down so we don't have to run through that whole thing every time. Just gonna put, we're actually gonna put no loop. It's just gonna spawn one boy right now. But the NPC that has the has intruder FSM, the physical attribute check, right? Every player, okay. So I just minimize this so I don't throw myself off. Scoozy. Oh, hold on, fuck. I made a late night run last night. It was very desperate. I'm in a good place too. It's not like I really like needed that, you know. But I wanted to go to sleep sort of like blitzed out of my skull on sugar or something, so it'd be easier to fall asleep. Like, sugar makes me sleepy. Okay, one more. So what I want to do is take all those attributes whenever they're dressed up in a certain way, and I want to get them from a hash table that has corresponding strings. So if they're wearing a blue suit with a black tie, there's two strings that say blue suit, black tie, stored in an array of strings. And then here, this NPC, whenever there's somebody intruding, first they'll check, do they match my sort of whitelist, you know? So if their whitelist says blue suit, black tie, and that's what they see, then they don't mind. They don't do anything. But if they don't see that, if you don't match that description, they start yelling at you and they chase you out of the house and they call the police. I can't believe all that worked yesterday too. Fucking love donuts, holy shit. So, let's see. It sucks because I still am not sure how I really want to do all this like spawning shit. There's even a part of me that wants to put the thing that makes NPCs, like an FSM in the NPC itself. You know, and then the only thing that the game manager would have to like build. Okay, we're just running tests here. So let's figure out how to do this hash table shit. We'll add a hash table. Let's see. And it will be for materials. And it's going to be skin color, facial hair, head hair. Let's do 5 for now. So what kind of actions do we have in the hash table? Hash table create, hash table add a key value pair, okay. Hash table get, using a key. The key value for that hash set. Hash table get key from value. Return the key for a value of a Playmaker hash table proxy component. It will return the first entry found. Because what I would like to do is, I guess maybe I'm doing this backwards. Okay, so what I should be doing is making arrays of strings, and the string says black tie, blue tie, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then I use that string using the hash table get, because those are keys. Right, okay. So like, for example, if I put this hash table get in here, right, like I put the reference in there, right? So it's like, we can call this like clothes materials. And I would put that in here. I may as well just kind of fill it out, even though I'm not going to use this, I don't think. And the key would be a variable. It would be, you know, like suit material. Yeah, and then you tell it this is thing of material, right? And then it stores it. Okay, cool. That works. Oh. Alright. That's cool. I'm upset now that I have to go through and delete these fucking arrays, though. That's right, I don't need them. I'm gonna keep them. I'm just gonna disconnect them. So I'll build the second version next to it. Okay. Oh, that's annoying though. That is annoying. Is this how I want to do things? Should I be designing this for the long term, or should this be just testing, right? Because I have my game manager up here where NPC Builder lives, and look at this fucking beautiful machine. This builds you out all the necessary roles for a city, and it loops through all the cities, loops through all the roles, builds them, make sure every city has however many it's set. So like, let's see. Right here, get city NPC ints. See? Even right here, it's like, how many agents does that city want? How many moles? How many mole hunters? How many sources? Civilians? And then it sets that number over here. It's a good system. And it should be used because not every NPC is gonna need that script once it's done. I should just build it like, I should just do this, right? I should just build it into this, right? All right, we're revamping NPC Builder 2.1. Not revamping, just sprucing up, making my life easier. Future-proofing it. Okay. So let's run through it then. We could still do all this shit. Where it sets the enum type, we still use enum types. Or Or let's start from the top. Let's fucking just make sure this all work right. Wait for player build. It waits for the player to be built. Right, cool. And it chooses a city from the array list cities. Great, that's what you want to do. Then it gets the NPC ints. That's just an int variable representing the number of NPCs that should be built for specific roles. How many moles do you want? How many agents do you want? How many mole hunters? How many sources? How many civilian A's? And how many civilian B's? Then it goes to build agent. That's weird. Wait, what? How does it? Oh, build agent, because agent's always first on the list. Right. Goes here. Build agent. All right. Sets a string variable NPC type as agents. Okay. And it sets the enum type as agent, right? And then okay. Compares the amount of agents made. And then it gets the spawn points from that city, the agent spawn points. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. And then it adds one agent, and it starts building it up. So now, instead of using tabula rasa, we just want just plain old NPC. All right, and then it's gonna go to the current spawn point, and then we have its name thing, so it still sets all these names for the first names: Melita, Fritz, Virginia, Klaus, Bell, Francis, Sydney, etc. Then it gets the last name, then it builds the string using the first and last name, then it sets the name. Set FSM string. Physical attributes, character name. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it sets that name, but it also puts that in the physical attributes, the character's name. So after it sets the name, it gets the mesh. And here's kind of where I already did something similar. So it's like I had a string array of the skin colors, so thankfully I don't have to fucking do all that over again. But this time, instead of getting things from the same index, I'm gonna change this to none because that shouldn't matter. And then I'm gonna get rid of this array get, because we're not gonna get the materials, because it doesn't exist in here. Fucking A, here we go. Okay. But what I will do is hash table get. Okay, now this is where it starts making sense. So we're gonna have a hash table over here. I have a feeling that it could make my life easier if I made a separate, should I? Yeah, I'm gonna make a separate game object underneath here. So we're gonna create this game object underneath Game Manager, and it'll be called NPC Builder. And we're gonna put all the hash tables on that instead, just to keep things organized. Okay, so the hash table is gonna exist on that thing. So you can put NPC Builder on here. Okay, I'll click this to add one. So now our NPC Builder, yep, has a hash table. And I'll put the reference on there in a second. So it's setting the skin color, right? So I'll name it skin color. And the key is going to be skin color underscore string. Nice. This is gonna be such... There's gonna be so much less confusing of a system. Mainly just because of all these like naming conventions I had to go through. Look at this, skin color underscore material dash array. Like, no thank you. This is gonna make my life easier. I hope, I think, I really believe, I truly believe it. The type is materials. And the result is gonna be skin color material. Oh, look how elegant that is. Mwah! So much better. And then, and that way we can just kind of like just add and add and add and add to it, and never have to worry about like, uh-oh, did the one in the 3rd position get swapped out with the one with the 7th position? Like, nope, that just doesn't happen here. So set material, boom, does it. So that's what it is. Three actions, set the skin color. And then in the skin color, I feel like see, I don't even need this anymore. This could be replaced with another hash table get. Specify game object, NPC builder. It's like kind of it's a very similar system because I'm still using several different types of. Let's see. Like, I think this array, this string array. I think I should call it. Oop, come on. I think I should just call it the way it would be said. So it'd be like very dark skin. And then this one would just be dark skin. Oh, I forgot this is gonna kind of wig out on me. So it's gonna be dark skin. Oops. Yeah. Okay. And then this is gonna be light skin. And then this is gonna be very light skin. I have to fix that one. Very dark skin, light skin, very light skin. Okay. Cool. And so that's what we'll use. So we don't have to have this redundant ass skin color dialogue string. Ooh. That's actually better if I remove the word skin from these. Very dark, dark, light, very light. Cool. Skin color string array. Cool. Alright, and it gets that, sets the material, hash table get using the same thing. What was the value? Skin color string. Except this type is... Oh shit, we don't even need that. Oh, we don't even need that. Boom, we could just do this set FSM string. Because that's it. the key to the what do they call them? Keys and what? Keys and items or something? Keys and items, yeah. The key to the item would have been the item anyway. Very cool. Oh man, look at it. You can actually see all of the whole thing right here. Before you used to have to scroll. Now it's all here. 1, 2, 3, 4 actions. All done in 4 actions. I don't have to fuss with all this. Yes. Okay, good. Masculine or feminine. Fuck, we really need to figure that shit out, huh? Oh man. Any professional modelers, 3D modelers in the chat? Professional 3D modelers / animators. I have questions about having a variation of skin meshes for the same rig and animation. Okay, so masculine, feminine. I think this is pretty much, this is fine. That can work just fine. I'll come back to it again later. All right, here we go, the facial hair. Clean it up. Array get random, facial hair string. Cool, don't need this index. Array get. No, we're using a hash table get. Okay, and the key will be facial hair string. So let's go in and change those. Facial hair string, array. So I want bushy mustache. I want full beard and mustache. I want goatee, pencil mustache, and stubble. Has stubble. That is, okay. Has, I think what these need to do is I think they need to say a bushy mustache, a full beard and mustache, a goatee, a pencil mustache, and stubble. Okay. That's right. Cool. Using that string. And this is material. Nope. Material. Results. Facial hair material. Dope. Should just call this facial hair. May as well put it in there now. What was the first one? Just skin color, right? And they're both material. We'll put those in later. 5 folks in the chat. Say what's up. What's good? What are y'all up to today? How's your Sunday going? Is it even Sunday where you are? Okay, get the string, right? Hash table using facial hair string. Cool. And we don't need this anymore, but we'll use the set material. And yep, that's right. We're gonna have to change this material index because I forget what the new index system we're using is. Don't need to get this anymore, but we could use that. And this can just be facial hair string. And I think so can that, right? Should probably change the one for skin color too. Skin color, yeah, see, it doesn't need to be skin color dialog string anymore. It could just be skin color string. Skin color string. Alright, got facial hair sorted, skin color sorted. Moving on to clothes. Array get random, cool. Array get. I might even eventually change this to using an array list instead of the array things. I wish I never ran into problems with the FSM arrays, because I like not having that extra step. Being able to have them right then and there is great, but gotta pick your battles. Array get random, close string, don't need that index anymore. Array get, nope, we use hash table get. Get some of that hash on the table. Get that hash. Get the hash off the table. NPC builder. Okay. And we'll call this. It's no longer clothes, right? Or actually, that's right. Yeah, it is. So it's what is the language I used? Lower body and upper body, or primary and secondary. I should just put lower and upper, or lower, primary, lower, secondary, upper, just so I can always remember that. Lower goes first, upper goes second. So lower, or primary lower, and secondary upper. Okay. Clothes string. And after I'm done building this out, I'm just gonna go in this variables and then go through this list right here where it says used, and all of the ones where it says 0, I could just finally start fucking deleting. Really clean this up so it'll be easier to navigate. Because look, that's a ton of variables for one FSM. Hash table get, close string, cool. Type, it's material. Results. And there's no more clothes material. So what you need to do is change this to let's see. Call it primary upper, secondary lower. underscore material. Cool, primary upper, right? Oh wait, but we're not using that. Get rid of that. The results, primary upper. Dope. Damn. Set material, primary upper, cool. What index is that actually? That's 7, so that's actually 6. Upper, or no. Lower body primary is 5. Don't need to do that anymore. And where's clothes string? Oh, can't be clothes string anymore either. Also needs to be that primary lower. Right? Cool. After you set material, set FSM string, where it's going to be that primary lower underscore string. Same thing. Dope. And actually, current agent spawned, physical attributes, maybe, but might end up putting that in some other place. Actually, physical attributes is a good place to put it. All right, gender neutral attributes, don't need it. Behavioral attributes, also not making a difference right now necessarily. Add to array. Oh shit, the music stopped? That was great. Fuck, can I add all of this to, who's that? Danielle Friedel. I'm gonna add all of this. How can I follow this person on Epidemic? Deezer. Okay. New playlist name, Stream Tunes, because I'm tired of hopping back and forth. All right, what's up next in this? Let's see. Playing soul. Disco, epic classical, music, old school funk. Sure. Dinah says, I joined your Discord and I saw you finally uploaded the Playmaker tutorial on the official channel. Yeah, fucking finally. Can you believe it? It's funny too, because I'm on the official, or I think it's the official Playmaker Discord, or it's the most active Playmaker Discord, and my Discord started getting me all these pings, and I was like, what the fuck, my shit is blowing up. And it was right after I published the tutorials on YouTube. What happened is that, like, I guess their Discord has a bot that they set up to let people know when their YouTube uploads a new video. So, yeah, everybody got all these notifications that the videos happened, and everybody started talking in the chat. And it was nice at first, people were stoked. But then it started getting ugly in there. And there's people who were just like being really toxic, to say the least. They eventually left. People seem to be mostly pretty positive about it. Yep. Finally fucking put them out. Then we can start getting into the advanced stuff. There's still some more beginner stuff that we have to get to, but... Oh my god, I love donuts. Holy fuck. Let me grab a drink really quick. Woo! All right. Add to array. Right? Adds NPC type string, right? Okay, that makes sense. It adds it to the array of whatever current type of NPC that it's building. That makes sense. Okay, so I have this set FSM bool for, what is this? What am I trying to do? Set FSM enum won't let me set value. I'm going to break convention by using get FSM enum on the other side from NPC, get from game manager, but it would be cool to change back later. It's fixed now, so I should be able to fix this. Might need a bool to only build the NPC. The question is, what variable was I trying to get? The NPC type? Again, I'm actually just gonna, let's see. Variable name, it's just setting the value. And what maybe it's in here. A num set, right. It's just, oh, it has to set the enum type. Behavioral attributes, okay. So what it needs to do, I'm surprised I didn't do that in these. Did I not do that? Set enum value. Oh. No, it doesn't make sense because it's already enum type, enum variable, NPC. Oh, it does make sense. Okay. Fair enough. Because where is the actual, I think it's up here, right? Creates the object, right? Okay, current agent spawned. So that means down here, now we could do set FSM enum. All right, look it, there it is from last time. Yeah, okay, here we go. Current agent spawned, and the FSM name we want, it's in, I believe, behavioral attributes. And then the variable name is, I think it's NPC type. Let's open this boy up and check. Behavioral attributes, NPC type, capital N, capital T. NPC type. And the enum type is NPC type. But the value will be whatever the most recent NPC type was. Cool. Oh shit, is my stream? Am I not live? I see some weird activity on oh no, there we go. For some reason my monitor is displaying a very not live. There we go. Fixed. Okay. Alright. So it sets the enum. I don't know if it needs this bool anymore. Let's also check in behavioral attributes again. Wait for variable build. Get FSM enum. Doesn't need this anymore. Doesn't need that anymore. Doesn't need that whole thing. Enable habit FSMs. That makes sense. So let's set as this, let's see, add transition, or no, set a start state. There we go. Cool. Back to good old simplified behavioral attributes FSM. I'm gonna snooze on that. I've been putting off this update for a minute. Okay. My neighbors. Okay. Doesn't need this anymore either. Get rid of that comment. Oh, it's back to being so clean and functional. Probably broke something on the way though. All right. Don't need my bull gates anymore. So this is just the funniest thing in the world to me. I'm gonna take a picture of this. And I'm gonna put this in the Discord. Oh, let me see. Let's do like a bigger one. Actually, let's do it like this for memification. Copy. All right, I'm putting this in the Discord in the meme section, and I'm making a request. This needs to be memified. Memified. I don't know if anybody even gets what that is. If you're watching and you don't get this, I have these bool values set up that used to, like, this shouldn't be called a bool gate anymore, but like it's like it won't continue in the next state unless it knows somewhere else some other thing was finished, like running its process, right? So like somewhere else there's a parallel system running, and at the very end of that system it flips a bool from not finished to finished, right? So when it says it's finished, this bool gate is essentially waiting to hear that that other system is finished, and then when that system's finished, then it can continue from here to here. See, like this bool test right here, this one. So it's waiting to hear that the enum is set, and when that's true, then it goes on to the next state. So I don't know if this is what people actually call them, but I call it a bool gate. And it's just like, okay, wait, it's kind of like the gatekeeper that is watching a bool value. And then I found myself making multiple of these, and so one day I named a state bool gates because there were multiple bool gates, and that kind of sounds like Bill Gates. I thought that was very funny. Bool gates. So I gotta rename this though. To set NPC or set FSM NPC type enum. Okay, I think we're all clean now. Fucking rad. Okay. Fucking A. So, if that's done, what was next in the list of things to do? It's like I make that thing, and so now NPCs have... Oh, you know what? We do need to go to the top and actually set these things up, right? So, like, names is fine. I'm gonna call this get NPC mesh. And then set skin color. Hash table skin color. Okay. So let's go in and fill these out. It's a little tedious today. It's a little monotonous, but gotta get through it. Facial hair, skin color. Material 4, save. And it doesn't even matter what order you put them in. Oh wait, what the fuck? Oh, okay, here we go. There we go. Doesn't even matter what order you put them in. But what does matter is kind of feel like I should do array list get. That works for now. I'm not gonna trip. Skin color string array. We got very dark, we got dark, light, and very light. Spelled out just like that. Okay. You know what I think I skipped though? Yeah, the clothes. Oh no, I didn't. It's the primary lower. Okay. But that means that this clothes string array, okay, right? So this one does need to get changed. And if I'm gonna do that, I may as well do an array list. Get random. There we go. What? Oh, okay, yeah. I have hash tables on it. So we're gonna do primary lower underscore. Oh no, it's gonna be called primary lower. So this is the lower part of the clothing. It's a material, and we're gonna. Oh wait, forgot. It's actually gonna be a string. Random item gets set as primary lower underscore string, right? Okay. Nice. Array lists will be the ones that have the strings, and then hash tables will have the actual items on it. So they could be named the same fucking thing. Fuck yes. Don't have to come up with all these wacky naming conventions. Okay. So array list proxy. We'll put this one. It's fine right here. We'll put it in the order that it gets them in. So this one is primary lower. And it is filled with strings. And then how many do we have? It's gonna be a lot, right? Oh, lower is... Yeah, primary is lower. Because like the base. Clothes, masculine. Okay, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 8 for now. And we have oh wait, that isn't even... Okay, that's actually just suits. For suits, we have a tan suit, a gray suit. Okay, so there's only 4 color suits right now, so that's actually 4. Call this black suit. I guess we should call it a black suit, right? A black suit. Hold on. Fucking A. You know what I just realized is that like putting A in there, I could just do... I'm gonna change that hair thing. So I'm not gonna use A because I can always use a build string function. Black suit, blue suit, gray suit, tan suit. Cool. And then let's add a hash table on there. It's gonna be called the same fucking thing, so no confusion. And these are gonna be materials. 4. Excuse me. Should make some tea in a second. Doesn't need to be in any order. Black suit. Blue suit. Gray and tan. Fuck yeah. And all this work is so it's just not a bunch of jumping through hoops when I get to that part where NPCs sort of check if the way you appear is sort of like passable, you know? It basically, so disguises can work. And so disguises can be more modular. So it's not just like, oh, are you dressed as a handyman? Or like, oh, is it like, are you dressed fully as this thing? But you could get more specific where it's like, if an NPC was looking for you, you know, like, oh, they have dark skin, you know, mustache, like a pencil mustache, you know, long hair, like long black hair, and you know, I saw them. They just walked by. They were wearing a gray suit with a blue tie. You know, so if it matches all that, the NPC can at least follow that person. You know, when they actually confront them, that's when they can like deal with whatever is after that. Like, it can create like false leads and stuff like that. And then you can do that with your friends too, multiplayer. Or strangers, hopefully. Okay, got all the suits set up over here. See, but they can't be called keys or whatever. They have to actually be called black suit, blue suit, gray suit, tan suit. That's a tiny bit tedious, but at least it's safer than hoping that I don't fuck up like the index number of things, because holy shit, that would suck. Like, oh, this is one off, I need to fill out this entire form again. That would be so lame. That would be the fucking worst. Okay, so let's fill in the facial hair while we're here. We have 5. I do want to change all these to array lists though. I feel like it'd be so much easier. Okay, I got a bushy mustache. I got a full beard and a mustache. I got a goatee. I got a pencil stash. Oops, I got a pencil stash. And I got a little bit of that stubble. I think I can just copy and paste this, right? Same deal, without the A's. A. Bushy mustache. Full beard and mustache. Goatee. Pencil mustache. Stubble. I think this one could just be dark, right? Very dark, light, and very light. Cool. That's all set up, I believe. Okay, and so primary lower right now. Primary lower string. Oh, we did do that. That's an array list thing. Cool, 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 cool. And then, so we can get rid of that. Oh, yes, this is so much better. Primary lower, set material, current agent spawn mesh, right, okay. Oh, that's just the primary though. So, you know what I'll do is I'll make 2 states. I'll make 2 states for that because also, I think I'm actually digging more. I'm gonna get a little nitpicky here. I dig this like alignment version more. This like left aligned. Let's see. Something like that. And then I think we're gonna make some good progress today. I think we're gonna see some cool shit. We're gonna see some cool stuff today. I don't know if it's gonna be disguise stuff, like putting on and taking off clothes and stuff. Could be that. That could be fun. I guess that's what the road we're on. Could also be the calling the police thing, because that's ready to go. Have a good feeling about today. Masculine, primary, lower. I could just duplicate this shit. Haha. Wait, what the fuck? Well, there we go. Secondary, lower, oh, upper. Secondary upper. Underscore string. Type material, new variable, next underscore material. All right, that'll be 6. Right? Yeah. Set of SM string. Cool. All right. This should function the same way. Is game manager, I feel like I deactivated it or something. Deactivated it, that shit. Yeah, I deactivated it. So I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna turn off the testing spawner. Here we go. Am I missing anything? Oh, the secondary ones, huh? Did I? I haven't put those on. Let's get an array list in here. Let's get one more proxy. And array list. Oops. And this one will be secondary upper and secondary upper. I think it's like 4 right now. Because we have black tie, blue tie, black bow tie, blue bow tie. Material 4. Black bow tie and black tie, blue bow tie and blue tie. That's good to go. That might be us. That might be good to go. Here we go. That's right, because you ain't got nowhere to go. Well, you're looking pretty sharp. Looking pretty sharp, mate. Looking very sharp. Cool, I like that. Bow tie on the tan suit. Bow tie on the gray suit. Let's go to DC. See what the boys in DC are looking like. Nice, nice. Yeah, you look like you're from DC. Where the fuck is your tie at? Still don't understand this tie glitch. Shouldn't there be more boys here? Or no, I only said it to 2. Oh, he's going over there. Oh, he's going. That's funny. Where are you on your way to, man? Oh, you're going over there, huh? Where are you going? This guy's just going off into the void. Does he have a tie? He does. Good. Alright. Things look pretty good. Where did the boys here get spawned? Oh, shit. Don't want to go to the airport. Do boys get spawned here right now? Oh, you know what we need to do is we need to dress the fucking player. Holy shit. Okay, we'll do that right now. Let's dress the player. So that's all working. Dressing up NPCs. Playing dollies. So let's do the same thing for the player. Game manager. Player builder. Holy fuck, making systemic games, bro. Making procedurally built games is fucking exhausting. Player builder. Okay, so look at these empty ass states, we finally get to fill them up. So what I'm thinking I'll do is I'm gonna copy and paste the NPC builder one. Oh, wait. Or do you make it that... Oh, man, you know, I haven't even thought of, like, what the UX would be. So, when you start, do you build your character out from top to bottom, or do you go with a template? Let's make a character building screen. See, total detour. Didn't anticipate that. Let's open up. Let's see, character building screen, or what do you call that? Like a what do you call that when you like character customization games? I'll bring the window over here. just check out some of these interfaces. You know, obviously I mean, let's see. Customize your appearance. Race, right? Okay. Not gonna have all that super fancy shit. Just no. So I guess some things, right? We can write some of this down. Let's see. Character. Let's see. Customization screen. So character customization screen will have like the model on one side, right? On one side of the screen. Which can be rotated around with a mouse look and clicking with rotate around by clicking plus mouse look. Okay, and then what is the actual, let's see, oops. Like, what does the actual interface look like, though? Because it has to stay... I would like to actually build something closer to what the final thing would be today. I don't want to go too temp. We can make, like, a basic layout. Get as close to the final thing as possible. Potentially, if it's simple enough, would just finish the final thing today. But all you're really doing... Since at the beginning of the game, you're choosing, you basically have to choose to wear a suit or not. And you're gonna have to choose whether or not you're masculine or feminine. So choose masculine or feminine. Feminine. And then, is that how you spell feminine? I always put mask or fem. And so it's all right here. Masculine or feminine, and then skin color. And then what? Facial hair. And then you do your primary clothes and secondary clothes. And I think that's all you should really have control over. I think scars, etc. Are randomized. And then so are behavioral attributes. Okay. Right? Because that's where the challenge comes in. You didn't choose to be addicted to smoking, but now you have to deal with it as a character. All right, so what do these interfaces look like? Oh, so I guess that tells us, right? How many? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's only really 5 values. We just have to make space for 5 values. Let me just make sure. Okay. Let's see. A lot of they're just so, I guess it's such a standard look, right, in video games. I'm surprised I haven't really found one that like really stands out as like, oh, that's a cool, like, you know what I'm thinking of? I'm actually thinking of like Red Dead. I'm thinking of when you customize your character in Red Dead. I remember it's kind of like he's like in the bathroom or something, or it's like your character's just like somewhere where it is kind of like a dressing room almost, you know. I want it to match the feeling of it.
But this should probably be more of like, oh, like, you know what a good call would be is like 1960s fashion advertising. Also, it can also be like, what is it? Spy Dossier. You know, something like this. Right? It's kind of like one of these type of, oh, here we go, like that kind of thing, you know? So when you're customizing your character, it's like your dossier. And what would be funny is like the values that are out of your control, these values are, you can see the option, but the value is redacted with a black box. Okay. Dracula unredacted. What is this? Yeah, it should look something like that. Right, or what do the fashion at search men's fashion? These aren't as, this doesn't feel nearly as appropriate. This feels like silly. This guy's face. That's a sharp look. Yeah, this doesn't quite cut it. Okay. I'm even gonna make another search for like James Bond dossier. Right here. What's this? Can I see a bigger version of this? Oh, fuck you, Pinterest. I hate fucking Pinterest, bro. I hate Pinterest. It never, ever lets you, like, it's such a disgustingly poor fucking interface and platform. Holy shit. Let me, you know, and I think it's on purpose, right? Like, they're maybe protecting, like, where the image is originally from. All right, so you have to come here. Maybe that makes more sense, but here we go. Just have to jump through all these fucking hoops for it. I don't really like this design now that I'm here. Yeah, not a fan. Don't dig it. Dinah says, hey, I got things to do, so yeah, see you in the next stream. Have a nice day. Dinah, thanks for stopping by. Glad you're able to come through, though. Very happy to have you here. I know it's been a slow morning, but, you know, hopefully you got a little something about, like, array lists and hash tables. Or at the very least, some company. I do enjoy having some folks, at least kind of popping in and out, right? It's not a totally slow morning. Yeah, get to whatever you need to get done. Get her done. Get it done, get it done. Yeah, this James Bond dossier doesn't quite cut it. Secret agent. Is this closer to what I'm looking for? Should I just pick a... Ooh, I like this one. Content espionage field manual. Spy tactics for collecting intelligence on target audiences and orchestrating stealth content strikes for maximum marketing impact. It's a good design, though. It's a great fucking design. Indianapolis. Oh, I just love that that's in Indianapolis. Okay. I like that orange, and I like the black lines, the seal. This, right? The stamp, the red stamp. That's good. What's this? Character dossier for role-playing games. It's essentially what's happening here. Ooh, I'm gonna make some fucking rice and lentils for lunch. I do think that probably the best one so far is... Yeah, it's that one that I saw up here. Like this kind of stuff. Okay. I think... That's about as good as it's gonna get, huh? Let's take a look. I hate you. I hate you, Pinterest. I absolutely despise Pinterest. How can it just like lead me back to Google? Ugh. Despicable. Okay. Does it have fingerprints? Should we do fucking fingerprints? Oh my god, can you imagine that shit? That is a dream. I'm gonna put that on the wish list. Just gonna put it on there. Fingerprints. Would be chosen at start. Put on your dossier. And should be able to pull prints off some things. It's a wish list item. That's not a reality item. Not yet, at least. All right, so they got your, like, it's like a couple sections, but I feel like, so that's also a portrait format because that is like a proper dossier. But if we're gonna be doing landscape, I guess we're gonna need Photoshop for this, right? Shit. Okay, yeah. Let's create, or do I have a thumbnails, banners, plane tickets, match press, airplane textures. I could have swore I had like a UI. Let's check it out. Let's see. Textures. Interface and overlays. Here we go. Okay, so I have a departure board PSD. But like, let's see how big this is. It's 2012 by 1440. Okay. I could do something like that. Let's do film and video, or mobile and app design. iPhone, nah. Let's do film and video, and we'll go film 4K. Let's see how big. See, it's more of a square format though. So I think maybe it would help to. I'm just gonna like say something like that. Print screen, new. Nope, new. Huh. That's funny. Like that. But this is like 1920 by 1080 now, isn't it? Or no, it's like two. Yeah, okay, 2050 60 by okay 14. Nice. Okay, that's what I'd like. It's a decent size. All right. Because pretty much what I want to do is I just want to put a big manila folder-ish kind of thing in here. Ooh, Spy Hunt, this like board game might have a good lead. This seems super dope, actually. This seems super crazy. Agent X has stole some very sensitive documents that reveal a network of spies. Okay, I'm not gonna get sucked into this right now. Is this like an alternate reality game? ARG? Office of the Prime Minister. In transit docket. Docket number, enclosures, movement control. Pics. I want to see pics. That's funny. It is an ARG. That seems like fun. That's fucking rad. You got like families and playing shit. Okay. Well, not the best thing to follow off right now, but that is, I do like that color of paper that they use. Let's see. Dossier. Dossier template. Or texture. No. It's pretty much just paper, right? Let's go to textures.com. What the fuck? Weird. For some reason I can't log into my textures.com. Yeah, this kind of stinks. I'm just recovering my password really quick for textures.com. Cool. New password. All right. So, wow, they totally revamped their shit. Look at that. Look at them. Looking good. Welcome to 2021, guys. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Paper. This one looks pretty good. It's nice and clean. This one also looking pretty clean. And that should probably be it, right? Don't really need anything too much. It's always just like choice paralysis with this place. It's like, oh, all the textures. So many textures, so little time. Okay. It's not letting me zoom? Alright, we'll just get this one. We'll get the fucking Mondo one. 20 credits, holy shit. Let's get this one, the second largest one. 9 credits. Actually, let's get this one, 3 credits. Spy game, textures, interfaces and overlays, character, character, building, dossier. And we'll put this in textures. Okay. And I'll get this one just to test it out so we actually have some variation in here. All right. And then let's make it nice and big. Like that. Same thing with this. Like that. All right, which one looks better? Should I rotate this one too? Kind of like this one better. Just a little rougher. This one's a little too clean. A little more texture in that one. Okay. Let's see. It's kind of funny. It's like almost like, this isn't very good design. I don't want it to look like this. It's like it definitely needs to lean into the cartooniness of it, less serious. See, I like that it has a watermark back here, right? This is great. Oh, these are like PSDs, huh? Damn, this almost makes me want to just download this fucking PSD right now for $4. Shit. But I don't like this whole like burnt paper shit. Like, not really about that. I do like the fucking envelope part though. What's up with this? Can we search envelopes on here? Envelope. Nah. Or folder. Cause it ain't gonna have no dossier shit. Nah. I do like that folder in the background. Paper clips too. Yeah, check that shit out. But I think we're just gonna go with our own thing. So another thing worth searching is like, was it like a 1960s photograph? So I would like to find just how they were actually printed, because a lot of them have this thing going on, the white border. Even though is that in the 1960s? Looks way older, right? 1920s. But yeah, a lot of old photos have that white border to them. So I would like to do something like that for the little box that the character spins around in. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Just putting like a rectangle basically, or can I get like a photo print, vintage, printed photo. What do you call that? Like a physical photograph? It sucks that our word for photograph is like the same thing for the item as it is sort of the what you would upload to the internet, you know? What you would scan and upload. Shit, yeah, like what do you... Oh, you know, maybe in here we can do like card. And if there's anything in here that we can use that could be doubled as a photograph. And just put like a little drop shadow underneath it, you know? Huh, is that it? Damn. Let's see. Vintage card. Vintage photograph. This kind of gets to it closer. Just so we have the edge in there. Maybe all I really need is... I do need like a... See, like this? Do I have anything like that? Can I just take a picture of something? Might honestly just have to fake it. Might just fake it. Might just fake it. Like, search paper again. And then find something in here like that. Like this one. Is this the one I imported? No. Yeah, so like I could take this Yeah. This will work. Cool. All right, and then your character will be right here. So that'll be the photograph of your character. And then you have like the documents on the side that are like paper clipped. How about paper clip? No textures for paper clip. Shit. It's 4? It's fucking 4? Holy shit. John Jero with the cucumber or pickle? What's up, John Jero? How's it going? How you doing? That's funny because I was just about to take a break, but I think I'll go for a little bit longer just so I can work up an appetite, proper fat appetite, and then, and also so I can at least get some text laid down. I really want to lay down some text in this. What am I looking for? Here we go. Paperclip. So ping. Honestly, doesn't even fucking matter because I'm just gonna. Why is it so hard to pick a fucking paperclip? Here we go. This one has fine edges. I'm gonna copy this image just because this one will be easier for me to magic erase. Yeah. Oh wait, it deleted too much of it. Tolerance 50. Still too much. 80. Still too much. 99. Still too much. 10? Am I going backwards? Oh, there we go. Okay. 2. There we go. Nice. Eating some food before going to sleep is kind of late. I'll chill here for a bit. Cool, cool. What are you grubbing on? What you grubbing on over there? Paperclip. I'm gonna move this mic so I can't see my keyboard. Call this backups. I don't think I'm gonna make a full-blown dossier. I don't think I'm gonna make like the paper in it and everything. I think I'm just gonna make like the photo like that, and then I'll just start writing some shit in. Yeah. I don't really know what, there's one, is this the best one? Yeah. Okay. Like, what do you write at the top? Classified, Department of Justice. Classified, like agent profile. Classified agent profile. Or agent profile classified. What have you been up to, John Jero? What's been going on? How's your day been? Let's see. Classified agent profile. And we'll do like not French. Ooh, I can kind of dig that. Or do I go with? Not much. Played, streamed some COD Warzone. Played a bit of Gmod with a friend. What have you done so far with your game? Dope. Dope. I just on New Year's Eve I had a Gmod sesh with all my friends as our like New Year's Eve party. And oh man, we went to this one server that was just so out of control. And it was just like so exhausting. It was pretty funny. Really offensive, outrageous shit. But it was a good time before I got completely exhausted and was like, I can't hang. I can't hang with the insanity. It was one of those role-playing servers. That sounds fun. What have you done with your game so far? Today, just revamped the sort of the spawning system, kind of made it so my job's gonna be easier once I get all these like, Brandon Grotesque is what I want. When I get all the costumes, I mean not costumes, like disguises set up, because that is like a whole fucking thing that like I never really I didn't give much forethought, or I didn't consider like how my NPC building system was going to affect the whole disguises system. So I just did a little bit of tweaking. Also, I learned some new things since I built that thing. So yeah, I just kind of revamped that. And now I'm making it so you could do the character building. So right now, this is the thing I'm working on right now is the character, customizer thing at the beginning of the game, so you can build your character up. Regular. Let's see. Let's do black, and let's maybe smaller. This, and we'll do classified. And this will be red as fuck-ish. Electrogami, hi, speak Spanish. Let's see. Not so much. I'm learning. I've been learning for like a fucking long time. Mi español es no bueno. Pero mi hablo pequeño. ¿Que dónde? Electrogami.
¿Sabes hacer un voice chat in Unity? Oh, voice chat. Do I know how to make voice chat in Unity? Let's see. How do you say I know? I forgot how to. No. No. Pero. Unity Asset Store. Tiene. Muchos voice chat assets. Let me try. Let me see. Let's check. No puede haceros funcionar los de Asset Store. No puede haceros funcionar de Asset Store. Mira. Okay. So you have like voice chat. Have returned. What's up, Rusty Chicken? I'm just practicing a little Spanish, trying to help our friend Electrogami here. Electrogami, nuestro amigo. O amiga. No, no puedo. So, let me turn this down a little bit. Electrogami, mira. Unity Asset Store, voice chat, rating, and then, is it, am I saying demasiado? Let me see, demasiado. What is that, right? Too much, too expensive. Demasiado dinero. Pero, let's see. Vivox voice chat, voice and text chat. Oh, and Photon voice. That's probably a good one to start with. I imagine that's good. Hola, mi amigo. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hola, Rusty. Hola, niño. Electrogami, ¿que dónde? Photon is acceptable. Yeah, so here. Trate de usar Photon Voice, pero me dice que estoy desconectado. También trate de usar Vivox. Also, trate de usar Vivox. Yeah, I saw that first part. What is the second part? También trate de usar Vivox, pero seguiré tratando. I don't know what that part means. También trate de usar Vivox, pero seguiré. Well, John Jarrow coming through with the, is that like Tagalog? That looks like, I was gonna say Tagalog. Intenta encontrar un mejor tutorial. Yeah, so Electrogami, that would be my only thing. Oh, he says, so he does use Vivox. Yeah, that's the only thing is like I would go with Photon because I know it has a lot of Playmaker support, but if these other assets do work with Playmaker, then that's also good. Yeah. Lo siento, Electrogami.
So, gracias. De nada, de nada. We have this classified agent. Surprise, multilingual too. Not much, you know. I've tried learning a million languages and haven't ever really gotten very far on many of them. I can count in a lot of languages, which is useless because you can always just put up your fingers, right? Adonis, yo, what's up? What's up, Adonis? How's it going? How you doing today? All right, agent profile. What am I trying to do here? Let's get the basics down. We'll have this open. Excuse me. And it is geez, I don't want to say. I'm gonna just put masculine or mask or femme, and then skin color. Facial hair. I guess you wouldn't really. Well, but this is a fucking video game. Okay. I need to bite my tongue on that. Hair, facial hair. And then. Right, because this isn't even supposed to be. Let's see. And then. What do you call that? Kind of like your starting suit, like. I would just say, I guess you would just put clothes 1 and then clothes 2. 5 more hours left on the game jam and I'm kind of stuck. Oh shit! Spanish, French, Italian, Romance languages plus my butchered American English. Hey, your American English, as far as I can tell, sounds, I mean, that doesn't sound great because I've never heard it, but it reads well. I'll join the Discord later today. Adonis, what are you stuck on? Tell us what you're, pop in the Discord. Let us know what you're stuck on, because maybe we can help you out, get you going. You know, if you got 5 hours left, if we all attack this as a group, you know, maybe we can make sure you get in nice and easy peasy. Because man, the one of the tougher things about the end of a game jam is like submitting the fucking thing, and it's always like last minute you realize that building out the game breaks something, or like your internet goes down, or you know, some fucked up last, what's the opposite of a miracle? Curse. I'll join the Discord later today. Join the Discord, it's easier to help you out. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. Yeah, you got it, man. Seriously, don't be shy to get the hands on deck, you know what I'm saying? Gonna make this black-ish. That's a show, blackish. And we're gonna make this regular or medium. Mask or femme. Yeah, there we go. Skin color. Hair. Oops. Facial. Oops. Facial hair. Facial hair. Clothes 1, clothes 2. I think that's a decent setup. Maybe they should all be right aligned. WebGL build crashes. Ugh. Oh, fuck. Even if I never release a hit, I can look back and say, hey, I helped these guys do it. Just about as good a feeling. Yeah, helping folks get through, like, That's some real satisfaction. I would love to help Adonis reach the end here. If the web, yeah, man, WebGL crash. Oh god, that happened to me on that Proc Jam stream. Remember, it wasn't crashing, but there was some really dumb WebGL problems, and I was just like, fine, I'm just gonna have to do the Windows build. Okay, so I think this right alignment is not really working for me. I'm just gonna put it back over here. Probably looks better when it's like that. Yeah. Maybe this too, because I think a part of this. Yeah, something like that. Then you have all this dead space though. Mask or fem. I always forget to change my build before I load to build. Always crashes unless I change format before loading to build. I always forget to change my build before I load to build. Always crashes unless I change format before loading to... Oh, that's weird. You have to change format before loading to build. What do these look like? Maybe this does need a normal piece of paper on it. I think I will just put a normal piece of paper in there. Is this the one I already got? I don't think it is, right? Some dirty ass paper. I'm on the Discord now. Cool. Let's see. Jonas, what's the issue you are having? Mine crashes, but if I change the before loading project, it's fine. It's a Unity bug. That is, yeah, that is super weird. Playmaker Unity help. There you go. Nice. Another way to set up a collider. Oh, I missed some of this talk. Would it be better to use a 3D modeling software or Unity to make maps for your game? Raimi Spider-Man? Really? That's weird. Dude, Raimi Spider-Man? I actually really love, I think it's the second one. Is that the one with Doc Ock? That the sort of Genesis scene where Doc Ock first becomes Doc Ock, and you have all those like Army of Darkness style like snap zooms and fucking like kind of story cam type things where you just see like the claw going and it's like and people going ah, and then just like blood and shadows and shit. That's a fucking wild sequence. I love that shit. The theme is death as a core mechanic, and I have my sprite work and code down so the platformer controls feel nice, but I haven't found a way to really incorporate death as a main mechanic, and I feel stumped. Oh, so it's like a design problem. Tom Brady on his way to another Super Bowl. That scene was like classic Raimi. I loved it. Yeah, let me think of some ways that you can introduce death as mechanic. So it's like, so the platformer controls feel nice. Maybe your character, John Jarrow, you're on thin ice for comments like that. Yeah, I can't get brain juices flowing. Okay, how about, let me see, if go down to the platform controls feel nice. Yo, why don't you do this? Adonis, can you just take a quick screen capture and show us just like 10-15 seconds of you moving around? Just kind of see what the platformer looks like. Maybe that can kind of get some ideas out there. This is a very dissatisfying design. Oh, you know what I can do? T-bar matches? No. Oh, yeah. Front of matchbook. There we go. Put this in there. Nice. Put this on that. Wait, clipping mask? Yeah, there we go. And then okay, gonna sit at the PC and load up Discord and YouTube and see if I can help. Rad, Rusty Chicken coming through. I do gotta eat soon. Fuck. I'm over here trying to like... Oh, I didn't even save this. Talk to chat, come up with a death mechanic, and do the dossier design. Character textures, interfaces and overlays, character building dossier, right? Character dossier. I'm just gonna call it character dossier. I got an idea. You can die and go to the afterlife so you can solve puzzles. It's like items appear where they weren't there, and then somehow revive yourself so you can beat the level now. If death was a mechanic. Okay, I'm gonna put this on hold. I'll come back to this. And I'm gonna just go into this mode really quick. just so I can help figure out some ideas, workshop some ideas. Okay, so if death is supposed to be the mechanic, what can you do right now? Let's see. If you have 5 hours left, just make sure that whatever you decide on is something that you feel good about being able to do in that time, you know? Got an idea, you can go to the Afterlife Ready Solve puzzles, the items appear where they weren't there, and then somehow revive yourself so you can beat the level now. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. If that's a simple enough thing to implement, that's a good one. That's solid. John Jarrow rolling through with the ideas. So, can I go eat lunch and then I don't know if you have, if Adonis, if you have access to like screen recording stuff, but if you do, it could help if you just maybe show us what you have so far, you know, just to kind of see what's going on. But I'm gonna be popping in the Discord a little bit while I cook up some lunch, and then I'll roll back in a little bit. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm just kind of waiting for it. I just want to see what Rusty's about to say. Is the issue that he can't get a death working, or is it another issue? It sounds like the game works, but there's no goal, right? Is that the problem? Because Adonis says, I have my sprite work and code down, so the platformer controls feel nice, but I haven't found a way to really incorporate death as a main mechanic, and I feel stumped. Yeah, so it sounds like the game's working fine, but that it's more of a design thing, like a creative block. All right, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna make lunch really quick, but I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.